Let's learn how you can find hidden chats on Viber. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now without any delay, let us open our Viber application. To find hidden chats, just click on this search bar and you will have to type in pin or a username or group name of hidden chat that you hid before. Now if I type this hidden pin password, as you can see here, hidden chats will appear. Just click on it. We already used the password, so we don't need to, but if you type in just the username of the person, you will have to type in a password before you enter the chat. And now to unhide it, you can just swipe and it will open message settings. You will find here this unhide this chat option. Click it. Now you will have to re-enter the 4-digit pin. Do that and this chat will be unhidden. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.